The first cabinet of Adolphe Thiers was announced on the 22nd of February 1836 by King Louis-Philippe I. It replaced the cabinet of Victor de Broglie. Adolphe Thiers resigned on the 25th of August 1836 when the king refused to accept his recommendation to send troops to destroy the Revolutionary Party in Spain, which was strongly supported by the Minister of War, Nicolas Joseph Maison. On 6 September 1836 the cabinet was replaced by the first cabinet of Louis Mathieu Molé. Ministers. The cabinet was created by ordinance of the 22nd of February 1836. The ministers were: President of the Council, Adolphe Thiers; Foreign Affairs, Adolphe Thiers; Interior, Camille de Montalivet; Justice and Religious Affairs, Paul Jean-Pierre Sauzet; War, Nicolas Joseph Maison; Finance, Antoine Maurice Apollinaire d'Argout; Navy and Colonies, Guy Victor Duperrey; Public Education, Joseph Pelé de la Loza; Commerce and Public Works, Hippolyte Passy.